Welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new Scout 175 Sportfish. This boat just arrived here in the showroom. As you see in the photos, it's got the navy blue hull size, good new top. The power is upgraded to the 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. Two nice jump seats here at the transom with backrests. You do have a live well underneath this aft corner seat. At the helm, you have dual captain chair layout, trim tabs with LED indicators, lockable electronics box, tilt wheel at the helm. You have your battery switch here at the helm, easy access there. Underneath the helm, you have a really nice storage compartment for all of your life jackets and gear. In front of the console, you have a carry-on, carry-off cooler that seconds as a forward-facing seat. Nice big bow cushion with storage underneath, and a designated anchor locker up in the bow of the boat. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop by MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach or give us a call at 910-256-8100.